Visitive My3DX Connector is a Visitive solution that enables seamless integration between the 3DEXPerience platform and an external ERP system. The solution enables the error-free transfer of formatted bill of materials structures to the ERP system. With My3DX Connector, your company can benefit from data consistency, process automation and time savings, reduced risk of errors, full integration with the 3DEXPerience environment. The way My3DX Connector works is very simple. The add-in only needs to be installed and properly configured by our team according to your requirements. That's it. My3DX Connector runs quietly in the background. Its status is visible in the Windows system tray. Once configured, simply launch the 3DEXPerience platform. Depending on your needs, data retrieval from the ERP system can be performed either manually or automatically. When the add-in is triggered manually, it connects to the 3DEXPerience platform and uploads the selected file together with information retrieved from the ERP system. This data is exported in XML format. It is worth noting that the add-in can run in the cloud independently of the client's infrastructure. Additionally, there is an option to transfer associated derivative files like PDF or STEP. My3DX Connector also supports the automatic upload of files to the 3DEXPerience platform. This process is triggered when a file reaches a predefined status, which is configured during the initial installation of the add-in. Once the specified status is reached, the data is automatically exported as XML files along with the corresponding files, like for example PDF or STEP. If you are interested in integrating the 3DEXPerience platform with your ERP system and see potential for My3DX Connector within your organization, contact